Mirror, mirror on the RV, it's time to fix you, finally! And you're coming with me. Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and the time has finally come for me to fix and replace the right side passenger mirror. Now, let's set the table. Let me take you back to explain how we got to here. RV storage in Florida, got hit, broke the mirror. All right, so somebody obviously hit the RV. Okay, I was able to pop it into place temporarily. We'll have to see. Man, this part sucks. Taped up the mirror, drove it back to Northeast Wisconsin, and made it through an entire RV season. However, I knew I was gonna have to replace it. The first, obviously, is the right side mirror. It is still taped up as of right now. This, of course, happened when the RV was hit during storage. I've looked at the side mirror, and I think I can fix that one myself, take the whole thing off and replace it. The big thing now is going to be sourcing that particular mirror. During the winter, went out on a hunt and sourced a new mirror. Got the mirror and initially thought there was an issue. So here you go. Here is the mirror. Let's open it up. And we'll start with the packing label. And this is what it's like. Again, Mills Supply Company. Oh my. So I ordered the right side. This is a left side mirror. This is going to have to go back. I am not happy about this. Got another mirror sent back, opened it up, and went through it, and it was all good. Okay, so here is part 2 of opening up and seeing if I have the right mirror. I sent the last one back to Mills Supply after it was the wrong one. It was actually the left side mirror, and I need a right side one. So let's open this and see if we got the right mirror this time. Mills Supply was really easy to work with. They gave me a mailing label, and I was able to ship the old mirror back very easily. So let's see how this one is. Packing material again. There. And here we go. And again, this seems to be the wrong one, but let's turn it around. Let's see if the head turns around. Again, it seems like it's the wrong side, but there are some things here. And let's see if they help to turn the mirror around. Because it does say right side on the bottom here. So let me find the Allen wrench for this. And let's see if I can turn this around and if it's the right one. And it does turn around, in fact. So it looks like I actually have the right one. We'll now have to take it over to the RV and try and install it. But so far, it looks like it's a pretty easy fix. Next stop, the RV. Let's see if it works. And that all leads me to now. I have my mirror. I've read the instructions. I think I can do this install. We've talked about being able to do certain RV repairs on your own. This is one I think I can do. And I'm taking you with me as I do this whole install. Let's get started.
So the new mirror is laid out, ready to go. Have my drill and my tools. Now need to take off the old mirror from the RV. You know, I've been waiting almost a whole year to get this done. There were some little plastic caps over the screws on the mirror. Had to pop those first. And then I just used my drill to take out everything, all 4 screws of the mirror. I didn't know how heavy the mirror was, so I almost lost it here. But I was able to grab it, hold on to it, and back behind the mirror into the rig, there are some cables that go all the way through. I had to pull those out. The nice part is they're all connected pretty easily. I went all the way through, put the mirror down on my ladder to just kind of hold it there, hold it steady as I fished out the rest of the cables, and you can see the mirror there. Pretty trashed, and there's the connector that I'm talking about. So I have to take the connector, just unhook it, and that's basically it. I want to make sure I didn't break that connector because I don't know what I would do after that. The mirror gone, off. Now it's time to get the new mirror. The new mirror was inside the RV, took it out of the plastic, and have to remember, I had to take it out of the plastic, turn the head around, because when they actually ship the mirror, they ship it on the left side. I have a right side mirror here, so I use the Allen wrench to turn it around and then had to tighten it back up before I mounted it back onto the RV. So now, mirror in hand, it was time to just kind of retrace my steps and do everything that I did to take off the mirror in reverse. First things first, I took the mirror out and went to connect the cables again. Wanted to make sure all of the cables are nice and tight. There's a connector there. I think it's about a 6-pin connector, something like that. You just click it, make sure it's nice and tight, and then you have to feed the wires back into the RV rig. There's a protector pad on the bottom of the mirror that goes against the RV to help protect it, and put some padding in between the mirror and your RV. So you just want to line up those holes to make sure everything is set and ready. Once you have the holes in the padding lined up, you want to take your mirror and put it right up and line up those holes. And then I used one of the screws to put it in with my hand temporarily just to hold it up. Did it around all 4 of the holes, and then I got my drill out to finish it up, tighten it up. Here I am just taking one of the screws, just using my fingers to get it in place temporarily, and then again it was the drill, all 4 around, and boom, that was it. It was easy peasy. Again, this was an RV reno I can do on my own. I think you could do it as well. Got to pick your battles, but this was a battle that I think I could do and that I won.
Well, there you have it. One of the easiest repairs I've ever had to do on my RV. The mirror looks really good. It's locked in, it's tight, and now I can check that off my list as one of the things I needed to get done this year. And yep, I'm excited about it. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, fix your RV when you need to, and enjoy RVing no matter what you're doing. We'll see you next time.